Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. What type of water drinker are you? Are you a sipper, a gulper, or a chugger? Well, I'm a sipper when I'm out in public, but I'm a gulper when I'm at home, and I am definitely a chugger when it comes to exercising. And I love that I can have 40 ounces of water in this Iron Flask, and it stays cold for me, it's been longer than 24 hours. And I just love all the different tops. They are leak proof. The seals are excellent. And I just love the different varieties. I do love this stainless steel top, but my favorite is a carabiner hook, which I love the zipper and it doesn't leak. And I just put it on any of my bags and take it with me wherever I want to go. And I love the color of Aurora, and I know there's so many more colors. So it doesn't matter what type of water drinker you are, this Iron Flask has all 3 different types of lids just for you. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.